you can see here. This is what water comes. And there's some beverages. Yeah, I know. And here is the name of the place. This is Senggigi, the town that I'm in at the moment at Lombok, and I'm gonna take now just a quick review. You can see what the main street looks like. I live down there at the moment. This is a beautiful place where you can rent. You know, you can go to Lombok routes and tours and things like that. You really can go and join them. Look, there's the names of it, and there's a phone number of Lombok, Senggigi. You see there? There's Senggigi. Alright, these are the people you must go and see for a nice tour. I just booked it up. Price is very good. Alright, let me take a walk down the street and show you. This is now the main street. You see free range. Look at the chicken. Free range. And then here by the Happy Cafe, I'm going to go down there because I want to go down to the beach. I want to go have a look and see what the beach looks like. Okay, let me cross the street to the other side. As you can see, there's a couple of restaurants here. There's the Happy Cafe, it's a restaurant also here. And look at me, there's another one there. Botanic. It's all there, Marlboro and cigarettes, I suppose. And that looks like a chemist, apothec. Yeah, they say the general practitioner, so they got the doctors. Okay, let me have a look and see what we've got here from behind. Okay, here's the restaurant. Hello, what time do you open up?
Yeah.
Or what time do you open?
We start around 12.
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
Alright, it's okay if I put this on YouTube?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. Alright, let me have a look and see what is over here. That's a Metropolis. Oh, the police, Metro Police. Oh, me and my pronunciations. Ah, well. Let me have a look and see what else have we got here. Oh shit, look at that. Lamp is all covered up with that dead tree there. What's their branch? Oh, I think they want to put it there because of the birds. Oh, that's just what they're doing. I think I'm going to put it up there for the birds. And as you can see, this is what it looks like here on the way down to the beach. You can see right around me. Hello! And there's some more eating places. Lady just shouted at me to say hello. Oh man. Oh, look at this. I know it's only rock and roll, but Lombok likes it. Oh, how cool is that? Oh, honky tonk blues. Bar and girl. Hello. Let's have a look and see what it looks like down here. Oh, everything is closed. Oh, everything is closed. I suppose it's still from all the lockdowns and things like it. I spoke to a local and he said this place used to be as busy as Ubud in Bali, like a rat race. And then about say 2 years before the COVID started, look at all this graffiti. And then of course, you know, it started going down for some reason. Looks to me the other places, some of the other islands is getting more popular, you know. So as you can see here, you know, early morning.
Morning, sir.
And how are you?
Good. What can I do for you?
Oh, nothing for now. But thank you. Oh, look at this beautiful flowers that they got there. Oh, those thorny ones. Oh, look at this decor. People are picking up the shells, some reef, and they hang it up with fish line gut. There's an art gallery inside there. Oh, there's one of the Beatles. Paul. Say Paul McCartney. Oh, that looks like Michael Jackson. Look at the graffiti on the wall. There's some elephants, a rhinoceros. Oh, some lizards. Hello, how are you? I'm very well, thank you. There's another place here near the beach. Senggigi, as you can see, seafood and restaurant bar. But it looks to me they've also got accommodation. Now let me just show you quick what it looks like inside here. It's really pretty. There you can have a look and see at it. Alright, this is quite cool. Barbecue grilled lobster, fish. Anything else? These people, you can see they're starting to make their place pretty. I don't know what's in there. Welcome to Scientification. I see another place you can go to. Marumata, Senggigi, Lombok. Hello, good morning, how are you?
Yes. Where are you from?
I'm from South Africa, but now in New Zealand.
I'm in Indonesia.
Yeah, New Zealand. Okay. You can see this place here. Welcome. I don't see any phone number there, but there you can see what it is. Maybe Google. Welcome to the beach. Let's go check it out and see what it is. Oh, morning guys.
Good morning.
And how are you?
I'm good. You?
Almost good.
Almost good.
Almost. Morning guys.
Morning.
Oh, there it is, Lombok, Senggigi. Let's have a look and see what they got. Tourist information. Then they got motorbike, soft trekking, the Johnny trekking, snorkeling. There is the walk traps, cover traps, surf lessons, etc. Oh, this is quite nice. You can see all the places they got here, but it's all closed. Because we are too early. They normally start here from 11 o'clock. Hello. Alright, here we shall get to the beach. That way is so looks more interesting this way. Let me go here first that you can see. Hello. Oh, you can see all the places you can book over here. Look at the name. It's over here on the beach. You come here, you can come and book here. What is happening here? Look at all these small tortoises. You see there? There's some little starfish. Look how many are there. You can walk. Alright, you can see here. Oh, here's the beach down at the bottom there. Quite busy there in the far. It's a beautiful day. Look at the clouds. Hardly any clouds in there. And then of course you can walk down here. Looks to me there's a restaurant there as well too. Somewhere there on the pier. And let's have a look and see what they've got there. There's the harbour master, as you can see there. And there's the harbour master. So that's the law. That's good. Nukarika Tres, those speedboats. I think that's more like life savings or whatever. Waves, no waves, as you can see. Beautiful. There's some sailing boats. I don't know where they go to. Oh, look at all this decoration over here. Let me take a preview on this side here. Some boats you also, when you come to, you come around here. Let's see, what is this now? It looks to me this is now a place where you can walk. You go down there and then you jump off there. When you get onto a boat there. Okay, welcome to Lombok, Senggigi Harbour. Senggigi Harbour. There's like a resting place, I think, while you're waiting for the boat to come. And there's some beverages and things that you can buy and enjoy some if you're thirsty or you're getting hungry or just a nibble on. That's a check-in counter also if you booked a boat. And okay, Lombok Barat, Patut, Patu, Patju. Okay, let me have a look and see here too. Look at the bait there with the two things just to balance it. And there's a light tower there. I see there's another light tower there. Okay, let me take it a little bit back on this side. Let me see what it looks like if I do it this way. Alright. Let's look at these kayaks. Rocks. Hello, how are you? Huh? How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, good. Good.
Okay.
Good.
Policeman.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Oh, good.
Yeah, I can see. Look, some of the old lodges and things that you can rent out, or you can hire from, or what? Rent. You can rent from them. Booking. There's a lot of them right here next to the beach. Right next to the beach. Oh, this is really nice. Oh gosh. This is what the beach looks like. There's a table and chairs here, so if you want to come and sit down and relax and have a beer or drink something or eat something like these people does and like those people does. Okay, here they got a little stall here. Looks to me that is that instant spaghetti. Hi you guys. Hello, how are you all? Good?
Yes.
Oh, nice swimming. Oh, no, I'm good, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you. Enjoy it, huh?
Yes.
Good. Hi. How are you guys? Good? Oh, nice. Oh, here's Meru Mata. Okay, for rent. Oh, this is that banana ride. So it's a jet ski trip, Lombok. As you can see there on the blue one. We call it the banana ride. Look on Jalan Moon.
Okay, you want fruit? Have mango, pineapple?
I'm alright, thank you very much.
Yeah?
Hello.
Hello.
How are you guys? Good?
Good.
Oh, nice camera, huh?
Camera.
Hey, cool.
How are you?
Morning, morning. I'm always well.
Well, very well. Good.
Very, very well. Thank you.
Very well.
Oh, look at this nice restaurant. Look at the table and chairs. Ah, Sunset Bar. Batavia. Old World blended whiskey. Hello, you guys. And how are you? Oh, nice. This is a nice restaurant. I think it must make out part of this place at the back. Oh, this is really cool. And then look at all these pillows if you want to do some sunbathing. Oh, really nice. Hi.
Hello.
And how are you? Good?
Good, thank you.
Oh, can you tell me what's the name of this place? Do you know the name of this place?
This is Marumata? This is Marumata?
Marumata.
Marumata.
Okay, let's be it again. Come again? Oh, this is the place if I want to rent what? Come and book in or whatever, this is the name.
Yeah,
Oh, thank you. And how do you like it?
I think it's great. I think
Really?
the beach here is good.
Okay, all right. And how much is it here today about?
I don't know.
All right.
I didn't pay for it.
Oh, yes, like you're a lucky guy. Yeah. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. Thank you. All right, thank you very much.
Oh, okay.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Enjoy your breakfast. Bye-bye. And here is the name of the place. Marumata. Now this is the place, as you can see over there. You come over here, you can come and book here. So you can Google. But this is really beautiful place. I think it could be a little bit expensive as to the other places, but as you can see, it's beautiful, worth it. They got swimming pools and everything. So I believe if you come and book in here, all the rest, I think maybe it's free. That's not the best to Google. Now I'm gonna go check and see what is down at the bottom there. See you there. I've arrived. The wind is blowing a little bit, so sorry for the noise on the wind, you know. But I hope you still enjoy the view. Let me check here. Yeah, this is where you can come and swim here. This is a nice swim area. As you can see there, everywhere there's stairs and things you can climb down onto the beach. There's a sandy beach over there. That's a bit rocky on this side. You know, so if you come, you must put on your shoes or sandals, you know, for the rockery. And just before I go further, you can see there's a dam there. And a safe pool, a little small pool there. And then, you know, if you want to go swim there with the kids or whatever. Okay, let's take it further down there. I again apologize for the noise of the wind. But please bear with me and enjoy the view. Oh, there's a guy busy fishing over there. There's a guy there with the red shirt. Oh, look at this. How cool is this? There I see Mata Siput. I hope I pronounced it right. As I said earlier, my pronunciation of these things. Oh man, Marumata, Senggigi, Lombok. It's really beautiful. I really love it. Look at all those mountains at the top there. This is such a beautiful sight. Look at this. Morning. Let me go walk around this way and see what's on this side. See, there's the pool I said. You can go swim. I do believe, you know, once it's high tide, it's going to be far better. Okay, there they are burning something there on the grass there. Some leaves and things. And look at the ocean. And there's those two guys that's doing the fishing. Looks to me those people, two girls over there, they looking for snails, things that they can put in their packet. Ah, that guy, look at that. Oh, wish them luck. And there the far, I know you can't see it, there's a little red little spot there. There's a couple of guys that are doing snorkeling. So it's just behind the waves there, you can see there, just behind the wave, that's where they do the snorkeling. They also do scuba diving here. Look at this beautiful walkway, right down to the bottom of the beach. You go all the way. So go all the way, all the way, all the way, right over there. Look at this, carry on. Non-stop. So you can have a beautiful stroll here. What a nice place. Yeah, you can see nice beverages here on the beach where you can get your stuff. Let's take a closer look. These are all the different beverages that you can get. Alright, and here's some of the boats that you can rent. Some of the boats. Really nice boats. Here's the KFC right in the main road. You can see that. And there's a nice, what is it, Alphamart. Yeah, supermarket. Yeah, well yeah, I just live around the corner there. See they're selling soft serves as well too. There, see benzine with the light for Mac. This is where the motorbikes nobody fill up themselves. This is their filling station.
ومطهرك من الذين كفروا وجاعل الذين اتبعوك فوق الذين كفروا إلى يوم القيامة ثم إليك
That's where I stay, Mama Bella's retreat. 200 meters from here, look. Right up there to the top. That's where I stay, 200 meters.